How are you?
Yes, I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm alright, thank you. Where are you from?
Oh, you're welcome. I'm from Thailand.
Thailand, but right now, are you living in Thailand or you are living any other country?
No, I'm living in Japan.
Japan. How long you have been living in Japan?
It's like 3 months.
3 months. Well, but dear friend, I know Thailand and Japan. Both country can't really speak English, but how did you learn English?
Yes, yeah, probably. It's not used too much, actually.
Okay.
Some people, yeah.
But what kind of practice just helped you to improve your speaking skills? How did you improve?
Actually, it's movies and music. Yeah, music, and then some like inspire something. If you like something too much,
Ah.
you have like yeah, you have inspiration. Yeah.
Okay, but do you?
If you yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, go
Yeah,
ahead.
go ahead.
No, no, you
Yeah,
first.
you first. It's okay.
Okay, but
You first. It's
okay,
okay.
thank you. I'm gonna say, do you have any kinds of a specific friend or a random friend to speak English?
No, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a not actually it's a whatever languages. It's okay. I very willing to learn any language. Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
No specifics. How are you?
Oh well, I just practice English with different communities people just randomly. And by the way, I got this kind of fluency. I watch the American videos, British videos, and I try to get knowledge from those videos, and then I try to implement when I jump on with any native English speaker.
They are speak, yeah, it's natural, right?
All right.
But it's not native. We have a nature of our speaker also. It's same like my country. My country is have unique about the languages also. And then when we spoke at English, there's some kind like weird. Sometimes the native they thought about us. But it's not much of people, just some.
So, well, I got really enough experience from you. How did you learn English and what should we do to learn English as well? So, what do you do in Japan?
In Japan?
Yeah.
In Japan also study and work.
Ah, okay. Basically, this app is not for learning. This app is used for daily weather something out. But especially if you have any intention that I need to get this kind of skill from this app, you would find. What I mean, you can learn everything like a culture and a language. So many communities people just have been using this application for years and years and years. So you can get any knowledge from this app. Not too bad actually.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah, totally. Well, so do you want to live in Japan or after finishing your graduation you want to leave for your country?
Actually, I can tell you, Japan is on my list. Actually, I have planned also the other country. Also, I have visa, but I don't want to go now. I just take my time here because I'm enjoyed here so much.
How old are you?
33.
Oh, 33. I can't believe that you are 33.
Practically?
Yeah, because your face look like totally around of 20.
Oh, thank you so much. No.
Why? What's the reason? What's the reason? Your face is not appeared up to 30.